The vivo X200 Ultra is an upcoming flagship smartphone that has generated significant buzz due to its cutting-edge specifications and advanced camera system. While it has not been officially announced yet, rumors and preliminary details suggest it will feature a 6.78-inch LTPO AMOLED display with a 1440 by 3200 resolution, 120 Hz refresh rate, and support for Dolby Vision and HDR, offering vibrant visuals and smooth performance. Under the hood, it is expected to be powered by the Qualcomm Snapdragon 8 Elite chipset, built on a 3nm process, paired with up to 16 GB of RAM and 1 TB of storage, UFS 4.0, ensuring top-tier performance for multitasking and gaming. The device is rumored to run Android 15 with Origin OS 5 as its custom skin. One of the standout features of the X200 Ultra is its triple camera setup, co-engineered with Zeiss optics. It includes a 50MP wide-angle lens with gimbal OIS, a 200MP periscope telephoto lens with 3.7x optical zoom, and a 50MP ultra-wide lens, all supported by advanced stabilization and computational photography features like 8K video recording and Dolby Vision HDR. Early reviews highlight its exceptional telephoto zoom and portrait capabilities, though it may lag slightly in ultra-wide and close-range zoom compared to some competitors. The phone is also expected to pack a 6,000 mAh battery with 100W wired and 30W wireless charging, along with reverse charging support. Durability is a key focus, with IP68/IP69 dust and water resistance, making it resilient in harsh conditions. Connectivity options include Wi-Fi 7, Bluetooth 5.4, and 5G support, while security features like an ultrasonic under-display fingerprint sensor and satellite SOS on higher storage models add to its premium appeal. Pricing is estimated at 79,990 Indian rupees in India, $795 in the US, positioning it as a high-end competitor in the flagship segment. While an official launch date remains unconfirmed, teasers suggest a potential April 2025 release in China, with global availability likely to follow. Overall, the vivo X200 Ultra aims to redefine smartphone photography and performance, though its final reception will depend on real-world testing and competitive pricing.